This video is only for auto shop owners who've had their business affected by the coronavirus. All you have to do right now is buckle up, because I got something to show you. Thank you so much for taking a minute out of your day. I'm Matthew, the Car Count Fixer, and if you're a repair shop owner and you want to grow your car count, income, and profits, go ahead and hit that subscriber button, ring the bell icon, and you'll be on your way. So I asked and told you that this video is only for shop owners who've had their business affected by the coronavirus or COVID-19. Now, I've got a resource here I want to share with you, so I'm going to jump right into it, share my screen with you, and show you exactly what you can do to help encourage business at your repair shop. In other words, get out in front of your competitors and show your customers that you are sincerely concerned about the safety and well-being of them when they come to visit you. So let me share my screen with you. So this is a website at covidsafe.services. I'm going to include a link down below in the video description, and you can head over there. But let me show you sort of the good and the bad of all of this. Number one is, what service are you looking for? Now, I've researched this site, and there is not a particular category for auto service. They have one for auto repair dealership or auto dealership, and they also have one for auto body repair. Now, what I found in looking at both of them was that auto body repair is closer to what you're really looking for. So here are the best practices. They give you a summary here about enforcing social distancing, cleaning and sanitizing practices, safe technician and client check-in process, and appropriate scheduling times and limiting unnecessary interactions. But what's even more important, they give you all these different areas here that you can scroll down and see everything here that are the guidelines that you should be following. Again, I'm not going to go through every one of these because your shop could be slightly different. But they also provide you workplace information, reminders, and policies, so best practices there. The before vehicle drop-off best practices, and it goes on to even vehicle pickup, and most importantly, post-collection follow-ups and payment. And one of the big things this entire site is all about is, keeping things as contactless as possible. So all of that is pretty good and good information for you, because it's going to show you what the experts are saying you should be doing. But even better than that, go ahead and click up here to the Get COVID Safe badge. Now, I went ahead and registered and created an account, so I'm going to slide over here. And once you have an account, you're going to go to this safety checklist. And here's what's really cool. They've outlined everything of the requirements that you should be following in order to satisfy your customer that you're looking after what they're doing. And it's all broken down to things like, workplace sanitation, workplace information, before vehicle drop-off, before vehicle pickup, and post follow-up and payments. All you have to do is go through each one of these sections, and you'll notice that the information, the points that are provided in red, are critical that you have to check off and comply with, and you can carry on and check all of these as they apply to your particular shop. You're going to notice that as you check these off, you're going to get a rating of 3 or 5 or whatever in order to go ahead and get a badge. And what's pretty important about this is they will provide you a badge, and then you can share your profile and either post this on your website, connect your website to your profile to let your customers know that you are, in fact, looking after their best interests in getting them to come and see you. Now, there's a whole lot of other things. There's other videos down below in the description here where I show you some of the things that auto shop owners that work with the GoMo text messaging system are doing and the benefits of what they're getting by just basically telling people that they're open. The other thing that I'd like to hear from you on is don't forget to share some of the comments that you're hearing from customers and their concerns about getting their car fixed during this crazy lockdown time. And if you're one of the 3 people hanging around at the end of this video, go ahead and check this next video out here about operating your auto repair shop in these difficult times, and this other video about the best ways that you can get car count even in the middle of a lockdown. I'm Matthew, the Car Count Fixer. Can't wait to see you on the next video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Take care. Talk real soon.